everyone, I'm Lily. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to make this very cute pumpkin. I use 7mm hook and 7mm yarn. This yarn suitable for 6, 7, 8mm hook. Make a slip knot. Insert your hook under this yarn. Pull up yarn, tie yarn, make a slip knot, and chaining yarn over, pull up yarn, make chains. Chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 33. I make 33 chains in here. I show I have 30 centimeters of these chains. In here we have one chain on hook, skip one chain, go to next chain, insert your hook into 1, 2, 3, third chain, insert your hook into this chain, pull up yarn. We have 2 yarns on hook, yarn over, pull through, 2 yarns together, insert your hook under this yarn. We have 2 loops in here, 1, 2. I show 1, 2 loops in here. Insert your hook under second loop. I show one more. Insert your hook, take 2 yarns on hook, go to next chain, insert your hook into next chain, pull up yarn. Now we have 1, 2, 3 yarns on hook, yarn over, pull through all of them. Here we have 3 loops, 1, 2, 3. Go to under this loop. We have 3 yarns in here. Insert your hook under this yarn, go to next chain, pull up yarn. We have 3 yarns on hook, yarn over, pull through all of them. Repeat. Insert your hook under this yarn, go to next chain, pull up yarn, pull through all of them. Insert your hook under this yarn, go to next chain, pull up yarn, pull through all of them. Repeat. I show slowly. Insert your hook, go to next chain, pull up yarn, pull through, and make like this for this round. Make 1 stitch in each chain. I show in 2 last chains, insert your hook under this yarn, go to next chain, pull up yarn, pull through 3 yarns together, repeat, go to last chain, pull up yarn, pull through all of them. This is first row. In here, add 1 chain, turn the work, continue like this. In here we have 2 loops. These loops look like a chain. Continue from these loops. Skip first loops, go to here, take 2 loops on your hook like this, from back into front of work, insert your hook, from back, take 2 loops on your hook. I show 1 more, take working yarn, pull up yarn. Now we have 2 loops in here, yarn over, pull through 2 yarns together. I show 1 more slowly, add 1 chain, turn the work, insert your hook, from back, take 2 yarns on your hook, pull up yarn, pull through 2 yarns together. In here we have 2 loops. Continue and take these loops on your hook. Insert your hook, from back, take these loops on your hook, pull up yarn, pull through 3 yarns together. In here we have 1, 2, 3 loops. Go to third under this yarn, insert your hook, from back, take 2 loops, pull up yarn, pull through 3 yarns, and repeat. Take this loop, insert your hook, from back, pull up yarn, pull through, take this loop, pull up yarn, pull through, and repeat. Pull up yarn, pull through. I show. Take this loop, insert your hook, pull up yarn, pull through all of them, continue like this for second row. Repeat like this and complete this row. This is back of work, front of this work. I show in 2 last stitches take this loop, insert your hook, pull up yarn, pull through all of them, repeat, insert your hook from back, take 2 last loops on your hook, pull through 3 yarns together, add 1 chain, turn the work. This is front of work. In here, continue from these loops. We have 2 loops. Skip first loops, go to here, take 2 loops, insert your hook, take 2 loops on your hook, pull up yarn, pull through 2 yarns, take second loop on your hook and take these loops, pull up yarn. We have 3 loops in here, pull through, insert your hook under this yarn, take these loops on your hook, pull up yarn, pull through, and repeat, pull up yarn, pull through, pull through, pull through, take these loops, repeat like this for this round. I show in last stitch, pull up yarn, pull through, take this yarn, go to last stitch, pull up yarn, pull through, add 1 chain, turn the work, continue from back of work, skip these loops, continue from this 1 2 3 third loops, insert your hook, pull up yarn, pull through 2 yarns, take this loop on your hook, insert your hook, pull up yarn, pull through 3 yarns, take this loop, pull up yarn, pull through, 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 repeat, make like this, repeat these rows, make more rows. I made this work, take 2 loops, pull up yarn, pull through 3 yarns together. I show. "54 centimeters in here, 28 centimeters in here." Join these sides together. I show. Take these loops. Front, we have 2 loops in here. I show front loop, back loop, front loop, back loop, front loop, back loop. In here, front loop, back loop, front loop, back loop. Take this loop from this side and this loop from other side. Join two sides together. Repeat. I join these sides together, two sides together. I join these sides and join these sides together.